Dumpling bell.
We're gonna go open this dumpling.
Di ba yung dumpling maliit? Siopaw yan.
Okay.
Di ba siopaw to? Maliit dumpling.
What should we do?
Huwag mong ganyan eh, baka masira yung trabaho.
What should we
Dumpling.
get?
Chopstick. Siopaw. Mo ha? Reset siya. Meron bigay ni Rana may papa.
This is a glitter dumpling. Wait.
Yeah, I'm 100 sure. 100% sure that it's siopaw.
That's a dumpling.
This is a glitter dumpling. Do you see it?
Oh, dumpling.
Glitter
Small
dumpling.
Dumpling nga yan.
Oh.
Dumplings. At tingnan mo to, ito sa
So,
siopaw.
this is shucks. So cute.
Siopaw. Pwede ba nila siopaw squeeze.
Bye.